You gotta do what you gotta do.
That's right. You gotta do what you gotta do to make the car look good. What's up everyone? This is Scott with Team 512 and I'm back with another video. I'm here with my buddy Rich.
What's up?
And his C6 convertible. We just got done putting a new Xpipe from Corsa on his vert to match his Corsa axle back. And you're gonna have to tune into the video right above our heads. Show them where it's at, Rich.
Right up there.
Yeah, so if you watch that video, you'll get to see whether we made a dramatic increase in the volume of Rich's C6 by putting on that Xpipe. But today's video is not about an Xpipe, it's about side skirts. That's right. Rich bought these carbon fiber side skirts off of eBay to put on his convertible, and we're gonna do that. But you know, Rich, in order to put these on, we've got to drill some holes in your car.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
That's right. You got to do what you got to do to make the car look good. We're gonna have to drill probably about 8 holes in the rocker panels down here in order to mount the side skirts. So not a huge deal, but it's drilling holes in the body of the car nonetheless. So in order to do that, we're gonna go ahead and put some two-sided tape on to the side skirts. We'll get them mounted. Once they're mounted, then we'll go back and we'll drill the holes and screw everything nice and tight. Yeah, let's do it. First, before we do it, we've got to eat some pizza.
There you go.
Huh? Who likes pepperoni? You like pepperoni? No? Too bad. All right, so we're gonna prep the side skirt in order for the double-sided tape to stick. So we're gonna use just some alcohol and some paper towels and wipe it down real good. You've seen me do this in some of my other videos with some of the other installations that require some of this double-sided tape, so it's not a big deal. You guys know the process here. You just got to make sure it's nice and clean. I mean, you can see, look at that. That was from one wipe. I mean, it's pretty dirty. So the chances of this double-sided tape sticking obviously go way down the dirtier it is. So we're just going to keep on wiping. All right, so we're also going to use the same alcohol solution and wipe down the rocker panels here where the double-sided tape is going to be. You can see Rich's car is not too dirty. Looks pretty good, even though he had it out in the rain today. It didn't melt, guys. Your Corvette will not melt in the rain. All right, so now we've got this wiped down. We're going to go ahead and put the double-sided tape on the new side skirts. We're going to carefully put them in place and start drilling some holes in Rich's car. All right, Rich is going to start sticking the tape on, and we're actually running out of this stuff because, truth be told, we've already done the driver's side of this car. You guys know I like to do this one time off camera before I get on camera so that I got the process down. All right, so you guys can see we've got the double-sided tape on here, and I've only pulled back about 3 or 4 inches of the backing so that we're not committing the whole thing to being placed on the car. And I want to line up the back part first, just like that, you guys. See, we're gonna flush mount the back here so it's flush with the wheel arch, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the backing and push the side skirt into the car, into the rocker panel like that. And there was the first piece, and now it's on. And then Rich is going to start up front and do the same thing. Now we drill. So we're going to go under the car and get the drill out and put some pilot holes in. And we're going to use the self-tapping screws to fully attach the side skirt. So let's get at it. All right, you can see here, I think we've got 1, 2, 3 pre-drilled holes. And we've got a 1/8 inch drill bit here, and we're gonna go ahead and make the first hole. All right, now that we have the holes in place, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna screw in these self-tapping screws, but we're not gonna use a screw gun or a drill or a driver of any sorts, just because I don't want to strip these holes out. All right, you definitely don't want to over tighten these, just until they start to give some resistance, and that's it. All right, you guys, now we're at the very front here, and you can see we got to drill a hole right here, here, and here. So 3 holes total up front. Now this hole is going to go into this plastic piece here. This hole is also going to go into this plastic, and then this one will go into the underneath or the underside of the rocker panel. All right, you guys, we have both of the side skirts on. I think you can see it here. Fit real good, real nice, looks good on the car. It matches Rich's rear spoiler really well, something we didn't point out, but we will when we get the car on the ground. Now, you can see the end right here where the side skirt ends and the wheel well begins. The kit actually comes with these finishers here that screw in just like this. However, 2 reasons why we're not installing it. One is it is like a matte carbon fiber compared to the gloss carbon fiber look on the side skirt. So they don't quite match. And when we tried to line up the holes, they didn't line up in the back of the side skirt too well. One was kind of sticking out. Here, I think you can see it better from this angle. See, that one hole was kind of peeping out, and if we moved it down a little bit, we couldn't quite get it centered. So 2 reasons why we decided not to put these on. So what do you say we get this thing down on the ground and see what it looks like when it's not on a lift. We've got Rich's car back down on the ground just like that, thanks to the Max Jacks lift. And what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. Rich, what do you think?
I love it.
Yeah?
I love it.
Was it worth drilling a few holes in your car for?
It was definitely worth drilling a few holes in my car.
Now, does it make you really want to get that front lip on?
It's coming a lot sooner than I thought.
That's right. How can you have side skirts on a car without a front lip? That's the question. I don't think it's going to be too long before Rich is back in the Team 512 garage to get that front lip on. We did the driver's side already, like I said earlier. And there you go, guys. Pretty simple install. Everything lined up well, again, except for the rear part that goes on the wheel arch. That didn't line up so well, so we decided not to put them on. And it wasn't the right carbon fiber, and it actually wasn't carbon fiber at all. So Rich just pointed out, and we should probably take a look at this. Here is the rear spoiler that he has on the car, and you can see the gloss carbon weave there. And then if we come down here, same gloss carbon fiber look. So I know it's a shame it's dark out right now and it's raining, and Rich is going to drive home with the top down. I'd show you it in the light if it was light, but it's not. It's getting to be winter in Pennsylvania, and those who live on the East Coast know what that means. So that'll do it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for spending your time with me. There's so much great content on YouTube, particularly around Corvettes. So if you're stopping by my channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, smash that like button, and leave me some comments, because you guys know I love interacting with people who love cars and Corvettes just as much as I do. Till next time.
Hey, thank you.
See ya.
See ya.
Till next time.
Till next time, guys. Thank you so much.
See ya.
See ya.
Till next time.
Hey, thanks Team 512. See ya.
Till next time. See ya.
See ya.
Till next time.
I'll see ya.
Boom.